Today, let's learn the word arise. It's a powerful verb that can help you talk about problems and opportunities. Arise means something happens or comes up, often a problem or chance. It can also mean to get up from lying down. A common mistake is to confuse arise with raise. Arise happens by itself. Raise means to lift or cause something. We often say problems arise, questions arise, or an opportunity arises. You can also say arise from to show cause. New problems arise every day. If opportunities arise, take them. Conflicts can arise from misunderstandings. We arise early every morning. A small problem arose during the meeting. Everyone stayed calm and solved it quickly. Because no one panicked, the issue didn't grow. Think of the sun rising. It arises in the sky. Just like the sun appears, problems or chances arise or come up. Remember, problems and chances can arise anytime. Use the word arise to sound natural. Try it in your next conversation.